I don't just want to tell you what I bought, I want to show you. Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com, and in today's video, I'm giving you a Sephora sale haul. I'm a VIB Rouge member, which means the sale started today for me, and early this morning I got up, I got to Sephora, I was able to pick up just about everything that I wanted. There are just a few things that are online exclusives, but I'll tell you about those at the end of this video. If you are interested in any of the products that I mentioned in this video, it'll all be linked in the description box below and also as part of the YouTube shopping prompt. I'm actually wearing a lot of what I purchased today because I didn't just want to hold up products and tell you what I bought. I wanted to show you. So let's start off with what I used for my primer. I picked up Glow Recipes Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blur Drops. This is a pore refining and blurring serum. This has been super hyped up and I did need a new primer, so I went ahead and picked this up. You can see me applying it here. It definitely feels tacky to the skin once you're done applying it, and I think it did a really good job of, gripping onto my makeup. I don't know exactly how much of that pore blurring it did, but I want to give it a few tries before I give you my final opinion. So definitely stay tuned because I will let you know my thoughts after I've tried this a few times. The next thing I purchased is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Vitamin CC Stick. This is an under eye stick that does color correcting. I get dark circles and there's really not a whole heck of a lot you can do except color correct and cover with concealer. So I wanted to give this a try, and it definitely did a really nice job of giving me really nice under eyes, but it didn't completely cover the darkness that I get, especially in the inner corners. For that, I just think I need concealer. But I think this is a really good option for days where I don't want to wear a lot of heavy makeup, maybe just a tinted moisturizer or just a moisturizer, but I want a little bit of coverage under my eyes. Then this would be a really good product to pick up. This one I was really excited for. This is Rare Beauty's Discovery Palette in Give Yourself Grace. I have never owned a Rare Beauty eyeshadow palette, so I was really excited to pick this up. I really want to pick up more Rare Beauty products because I just hear great things, and the products that I have tried I've loved. So I'm so excited that I was able to get this eyeshadow palette, and I have to say I really liked it. I am a big fan of pinks and purples anyway, so I love this color story. It totally worked for me. I have to say I was a little intimidated about this pressed glitter, but I really enjoyed it. It was easy to work with. I thought I was gonna have a lot of fallout and I didn't. I had very minimal fallout, if anything. I used Laura Mercier powder underneath my eyes so that any fallout could just easily be brushed away, but I didn't have much fallout at all, really. Stay tuned because I will do a full review with swatches in the next few days. And now is a perfect opportunity for me to introduce myself if you are new here. Hey there, my name is Jessica Flores and I am a lifestyle blogger and YouTuber. I cover everything from beauty to fashion, luxury, travel, home decor, you name it, I cover it all. So if any of those topics interest you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon next to the subscribe button so you can set up your notifications for all. That way you'll be notified whenever my videos go out, and I make new videos every single week, and if you have your notifications on, you won't miss a thing. I picked up my favorite foundation and concealers at the moment. This is from Fenty Beauty. This is their Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, and then this is their Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer. But because the weather is getting warmer and we've already had some really hot sunny days here in New York City, I also picked up IT Cosmetics CC Plus Your Skin But Better. This has SPF 50, which is fantastic. I always recommend you wear SPF when you go outside especially, but also indoors because we get a lot of light through the window and all those harmful rays can affect you indoors as well. It causes aging on your skin. It also can cause melanoma and other skin problems, so definitely wear your SPF. So I love that this has both coverage and SPF and anti-aging properties, so I'm happy to add this to my collection. To apply that foundation, I picked up Sephora's number 56 Pro Brush Foundation. This one is good for liquids, creams, powders, and sticks, and it provides medium buildable coverage, so I really enjoyed using that brush today. I also picked up the number 70 Pro Foundation Brush. This one is good for full coverage liquid, cream, and stick foundations. The next thing I picked up was from Patrick Ta. This is the She's Bronze Cream Contour and Powder Duo. I mentioned in my Sephora guide that I really like the blushes, so I was really excited to try this contour and bronzer duo in this color specifically, and I loved it. It gave me a beautiful sun-kissed finish look to my face, and I didn't realize that the powder bronzer has some sparkle in it, but it's beautiful. I usually go for a matte bronzer, a matte powder bronzer, but I'm really glad that I added this to my collection because it's a little bit different, and I just thought it looked really beautiful on my skin. I'm really going to enjoy using this summer. Moving on to blushes, I picked up a Tower 28 blush. This is the After Hours blush. If you've been watching my channel, you know I'm a huge cream blush fan, and Tower 28 just has some of the best cream blushes, so I was really excited to add this color. I think it looks beautiful. I love the finish. It's just so summery and just looks really good on the skin, and that's what I really love about a lot of these cream foundations, is that just makes you look glowy and sun-kissed and just perfect for the spring and summer, just warmer weather. And this one did not disappoint. It's a beautiful color, beautiful finish. Love the way that it looks on me. Highly recommend. I did not pick up any lip products because I've purchased some of those Sephora lip favorite sets, so I feel like I'm good in the lip product department. Because this is not only a cream blush, it's also a lip product. I use that on my lips. I will say that I used to be a matte lip person, but this one felt a little too drying. Maybe it's just because I've been enjoying using glosses a lot more and cream, satiny finishes. This one felt just a little too dry on its own, so I added a gloss from Kaja, and I will link that down in the description box below. And then I finished the makeup look off with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. It says party all night, stay all day. I've heard incredible things about this. I'm usually an Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray person. I've been so faithful to that. It's pretty much the only setting spray that I ever use, but I am down to my last bottle, and so I thought, why not? Let me give this a try. And I just, again, heard such great things about it that I wanted to give it a try. I just finished this makeup look just a little while ago. I might be going outside later, so I'll definitely let you know what I think about it in a future video. Now let's go through some of the other products that I'm not wearing. I picked up another Notorious moisturizers from Freck. I'm not going to mention the name because I don't want any problems with YouTube, but it is their Rich Person moisturizer. It is a cactus and vitamin C moisturizer, and believe it or not, I did not pick this up for myself. I picked this up for my husband because he loves it, and I love it for him. It makes his skin look amazing. And hey, if you aren't telling the men in your life to use skincare, now's the time. Get them something that they will use. Let them see the ways of what it's like to have nice, supple, plump, moisturized skin. Another product that I already gave to my husband, which is why I don't have it in my hand right now, is the First Aid Beauty Anti-Chafing Stick. My husband had shoulder surgery, and he has been unable to lift up his arm all the way for a while, and he's experiencing some chafing down there. He's been using powder, but I really wanted him to try this stick instead. I love First Aid Beauty. They just make amazing products. So I just have a lot of faith in them. So I picked up that chafing stick and hope that it'll work out really well for him. I'm sure that it will, but I will let you know. And as I mentioned in my Sephora guide video, I love Briogeo. This is their Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. The one that I have is already almost finished, so I picked up another one. I restocked. This is a new product for me. This is Clarins Aroma Tonic Treatment Oil. It's a firming and toning treatment oil. Body care formulated with ingredients of natural origin, essential oils that tone the skin and create a total feeling of well-being. The fine fluid oil helps improve skin's elasticity and firmness. It is especially recommended to minimize the appearance of stretch marks. Immediately absorbed, it leaves the skin supple and satin smooth. Listen, I know that these products, there's only so much they can do. After I've had 3 babies now, I have stretch marks, I'm losing weight. I already had a massive amount of weight loss from earlier in life, so there's only so much products can do, but I'm willing to give something a try just to help me out for now until I am ready to book that more permanent solution. I will talk more about that in a future video. So anyway, this is apparently a best-selling product for them, so I'm willing to give it a try and hoping that it at least will improve my not only stretch marks, but as I lose weight, to help me with the elasticity of my skin. So we'll see. And the last thing I picked up in store was a shower detangler comb. Nothing special. I just needed one and I saw it and so I picked it up. That was it. Good story, right? Good story, Jessica. All right, so now let's talk about the things that I picked up online because they weren't available in store. The first is Vegamore. I'm not sure how that's pronounced. It's their Grow Healthy Hair Starter Set for thinning hair. It includes a shampoo, a conditioner, and a hair serum. This is not for me, it's for my mother. If you guys are unaware, my mom is going through her third battle with cancer, and this time around she is losing some of her hair. Again, not sure how much this can do for her given that she's going through chemotherapy, but I did see a review from someone who had gone through chemotherapy, had lost a lot of their hair, and are swearing that this helped them. So I'm willing to give it a try. 20% off because I'm a Rouge member. Why not? And it's for my mom, so you know, she's worth it. And then the last items that I picked up are hand creams, the first of which is from L'Occitane. I love L'Occitane. You guys know, especially during the holiday gift sale, I always buy L'Occitane hand creams and L'Occitane holiday sets because they're just great gifts. And this set that I purchased has 3 hand creams in it, and it is a gift. It is for a nurse that takes care of my mom, who's absolutely wonderful, so it's a gift for her. And then I picked up 2 Sephora hand creams, an almond one and a coconut one, just to see what they look like, if I like them. And so I picked some of these up because they will also be gifts that we'll be giving to some of the nurses that have been helping my mom out. All right, and that was everything that I picked up during the sale. Let me know what you picked up for yourself or for loved ones. I really want to know what you are enjoying, what you picked up, what you restocked, what you're trying for the first time, any recommendations that you give. Hey, there's still a few more days to the sale, and I'm always one to, I usually will put in a last minute order, so let me know if you have recommendations. Thank you so much for watching. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned.